How's your father now?
What's up, more gang? We gang, it's a gang thing, and I'm back with another freaking banger. Okay, so in this video, y'all can already tell by the title what we doing. It is Friday, September 1st, y'all. It is September. It feel good outside. I look good. We look good. Right now, we just left the store getting a couple of things for the house because y'all know we about to move. So I'll show y'all what we got when we get back to the house. We're going to go to the house today, so I'm going to get some footage of the house when we go there today. But right now, we are waiting on our individuals because my mom is actually at work too. So we're trying to like kill like 5 birds with one stone. And also we are going out to get something to eat. We're going to a place called Lapita's. It's in Stone Mountain in Georgia. It's right around the corner from our house. It's called Lapita's Authentic Mexican Grill or something like that. But we going there because we all had a taste for like some Mexican food, and I wanted to try some burritos and some elote. So yeah, we're gonna go there. I'm gonna record all of that. The kids out of school already. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna just make sure I give y'all as much footage as possible. And I'm probably gonna do another video, like a mukbang Q&A. So if y'all see me with 2 videos with the same outfit on, just know that I did 2 videos in one day. Don't come for me. Not too much on me. But yeah, y'all, so we waiting for the individuals, and then we gonna go get started. We're gonna go get something to eat. We're gonna get on the road, do everything we gotta do, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, so we are pulling up to Lapita's kitchen. Told you. It's right there, y'all, but we about to park. My mama is probably like, what is this girl doing? Told you. Lapita's is right there, y'all. That's where we going. Authentic Mexican. Yay! I ain't with them either. Guys, so my mom got her food, and the individuals, Donnie and Dewanna's, got their food. So now I'm just waiting on mine because my order was bigger. Of course, I had to order for me and the kids, and I got some other stuff for me and my mom. And then when we get home, I'm gonna open it up and show y'all everything that we got. I got burritos, I got tacos, I got nachos, and I got elote. It's done. It's ready. And so I'm gonna see y'all when we get back to the house because I gotta drive. Good, ain't it? Y'all, they tore their food up. Gigi tearing hers up. You know how it is when people get quiet, that means it's good.
Sorry.
We looked up the reviews on Google. They had some good reviews. We was doubting them at first, I ain't gonna lie. But once I looked at the reviews, well, we was doubting them.
The way they say,
The only reason we was doubting them is because what?
because of the way they say their name.
Kitchen Authentic.
Authentic Mexican.
Right, not Authentic Mexican Kitchen or... Yeah, Authentic Mexican Kitchen. Authentic Mexican. Yeah, so I guess it's
You know them
Lapita's Kitchen and then Authentic Mexican, or Lapita's, or Authentic Mexican Lapita's Kitchen.
Good food.
Yeah, it is, but the name just is...
Y'all free going.
Yes, elote. We got some elote. We got some burritos. We got some nachos, some burritos. They tore their food up. Huh?
Elote.
That's the corn. That's what the corn is called.
Oh,
elote.
I thought free going.
It is. Okay, y'all, so everybody finished eating. I did not eat because, of course, y'all know I'm picky. I like to be comfortable when I'm eating. I like to sit down, and after I eat, I like to chill. So I'm gonna eat when we get back. We are on our way to the new house to take some stuff. Like I told y'all, we not moving until next Friday, but we're gonna take a couple of boxes now that we have room to do so. So yeah, we on our way to the new house to drop these boxes off, and then I'm gonna come back home and I'm gonna eat, and me and my kids gonna chill. My mama at work, and then I'm gonna have to go pick my mama back up from work when she get off around like 9:30. So right now it is 5:06 p.m. September 1st, y'all. It is September finally. The fall is here. If you know, you know. I love fall. I love the cold weather. I don't really like winter too much, even though I'm a winter baby. I prefer fall because I just like putting clothes on. So I don't really like summer because I don't like being hot, and I don't really put clothes on in the summer. Like right now, I don't even look like I got on no clothes, and I got shorts on. I don't look like it. Everybody was staring at me like, this girl ain't got no clothes on, but I do. I don't really do much in the summer unless it's vacation. But yeah, y'all, in the fall I can put pieces on. That's what I love the most. So I'm so happy that fall is on its way. Y'all know we live in Atlanta, so it don't get too cold, but it get cold enough for me to wear my bubble vest and my bubble jackets and stuff like that. So period, y'all gonna be looking out for the looks. Period, I'm gonna be serving y'all plenty looks. But I do got one more outfit that I want to wear before it gets cold too. I got one outfit that I need to hurry up and wear. I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm gonna wear. Oh, I forgot to get some hair from the hair store today. It's okay, I got some. But yeah, y'all, we are on our way to the new house, so I'm driving. Don't supposed to be on the phone, so I'll see y'all when we get there. Y'all, we pulling up, period, to our new place. It's this one right here, this second one. Is she gonna back in? Huh? Okay. I thought you was backing in.
A few moments later.
I am closing it, girl. Okay, so y'all, we ended up not going in. We just put boxes in the garage, but we'll show y'all another time the house when we move. We got a lot of stuff to do today, so we didn't go in. We just only went in the garage, y'all. So I'll see y'all in a few minutes. About to go to the gas station and do some other stuff. And I'll see y'all in a few minutes.